full wig installed and I'm feeling good. I haven't tried a short bob unit in so freaking long, so I'm feeling this whole entire look. So today we are installing the Outre Melted Hairline KIANI unit. At least that's how I'm gonna pronounce it. It's K-I-A-N-I, KIANI or KIANI, not very sure. But then I also have it in the color DRFF Chocolate Toffee, and it does come in some other color ranges in case you guys are not feeling this color range. This is a 12-inch unit. It has HD transparent lace. It has a frontal effect hairline. You can use heat on it as well, up to 400 degrees. You got the baby hairs included, and the elastic band that is installed in the inside. I used the elastic band, didn't use the baby hairs. I used a little bit of heat. I cut majority of the lace off. I didn't pluck it, so it's just kind of, it's giving very much so straight out the pack, wearing it like it is. The only alteration I did was adding a little bit of heat to these ends to keep it kind of straight so it wouldn't give me that necklace look. And then I do think that it's a 12-inch bob, but I think it kind of goes a little bit higher up in the back. If you guys see that, I'm gonna do a full 362, but like compared to the front, it's not like all one length. So like you see the back, it's a little bit more curled in and it's a little bit shorter in the back, which I think a lot of bobs come out like that, but I'm really not a fan of the higher up in the back, longer in the front bob. I don't really like that look, but unfortunately that's just how a majority of bobs come, it seems like. So this one says no plucking is required. I didn't pluck it and I feel like it looks pretty good without plucking it. Now if you do intend to expose more of your hairline, you're probably going to want to pluck it, but since I knew that I was going to wear it like this, I was like, there's no need for me to pluck it because I'm not trying to show all this. Now if you want to do the whole method of like you know, gluing the whole frontal effect down and then you want to like push it back so that your hairline's exposed, then yeah. So the way I'm wearing it, I can still go back later on and pluck it out so I can wear it like that if I want to. But today we went with a full glueless look, so I feel like this really falls under that beginner friendly level of wigs, because if you watch my whole process of installing the wig, you see I didn't do much of anything to this wig and it looks really cute right now. The only thing is I want to make sure I keep my front pieces kind of pulled down so you don't see a lot of the hairline, and it makes it where it just makes it look a little bit more natural that way to me, versus if I push the hair back out of my face, you just see like that straight hairline and you see how full it is. So those are my things. It is big head friendly, you guys. I do like the texture of it too. Like it isn't giving very silky, but it's not yucky either. So it's like the semi yucky. It has a really good texture to it. The only thing is like when you look at it on the model, it looks like it's kind of like straight in the back, but you can see from the side view how it's a little bit longer in the front. I don't know. I want to like that style, but I just can't get with it. So like you see, that's like a good representation of what I just said. So you see how she's wearing it right here. She just has it pulled down on her face, but if you want to expose more of the hairline, you can do a little bit more with those baby hairs they give you. Also, another thing I want to point out is the Viggies, they say they have like so much what is the word I'm looking for, that comfort ear contour. It definitely does. They give you like freaking ear to ear, like the bottom of your ear type lace, where you can, every time I put those wigs on, they're just like past my ear, and I end up having to cut so much of the lace off. So I don't know, they're just something to let you guys know that like you can cut it and it's still gonna look good even if you have to cut, you know, a bunch of the lace near your ear off. I don't know, I just felt the need to say that. So anyways, after I say all that, what do I rate today's wig? I would rate it like a good 8.5 out of 10. I'm more of a long hair girly, so it's not that I dislike it, I just like really long hair, but I do feel like this little short bob is cute. So that's my rating, 8.5 out of 10. You guys let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Thank you to Outre for sending this wig over, and I'll see you guys in my next video.